Hi, this is David Adler for milestone number 6. We'll just start off right off the get-go with all the citations for all the pages. This new page is my navbar, and everything is in a respective category to clean things up. So, about me, hobbies, all the citations. So I've gone ahead and added new scripts to all of the pages. For the JavaScript, there's nothing new. For the CSS, I've added the button underline for the navigation bar, to add a color when you're on the active page. I had the navigation bar, which we will see, with links to all of them, and I commented out all of my previous navbars that were on every single page and replaced it with this one. On hobbies, I have not hobbies, important events. I have a placeholder for the show and the toggle of hide and show paragraph, which we will go into. So let's open with live server. It's the navigation bar. I have an error with one of the drop-down menu. For some reason, I cannot get it for the life of me to come down and show what I want it to show. So I did go ahead and schedule an office hours on Wednesday to go over that and fix it. So we have the highlighted area of the page. Going through every page. This is the toggle on important events. Again, this is just a placeholder. On Monday, I will be writing the rest of the paragraphs and what I want to display on this page. But it does work for all of the pages. So that is all that is new as far as that's concerned in the navigation bar with the div class. And this is what I have for what I want to have the drop-down menu be for it. Just placeholders. I didn't bother to write the links in to where I want it to go for the photos, places I've been, etc. Because it's not quite working. Once I get it working, I'll write everything else in.